Hello cuties, so today I'm creating this warm orangey look using some of the new products which I bought from Sugar. If you're new to this channel, welcome back to our channel Lavishka. Wing it with Moni में आपका स्वागत है. Beginning with a clean face, I'm using this water-based moisturiser from Quench. It's super light on the skin. अब भाई सीरीज binge watch कर करके मेरे अंडर आईज बेजान हो गई है. Again, I'm using this under eye cream from Quench. It is super hydrating. Massaging it with my ring finger because it has got the least pressure. I'm using this lip balm from Sage Apothecary to nourish my lips. I'm going to shoot in a lot of lighting, so I need to apply the sunscreen. It's from Quench. It is super light and it leaves no white cast. Recently, I'm obsessed with Korean skincare brands. Applying this pore minimizer primer from Sugar on my T-zone. It's a gel-based primer. For foundation, I'm using this Hyper Matte foundation from Blue Heavens in the shade Beige. Dotting the foundation with my fingers and blending out with this Swiss Beauty Kabuki brush. Concealing my dark circles and also the pigmentation above my lid because I want good color payoff of the eyeshadows. Using this mini bronzer from Sugar in the shade 01 Top A Topper to contour my cheekbones and jawline. This contour is quite buildable. Also, I love the fact that it's not too warm on the skin. It's cool enough to create shadows. You can clearly see the difference, how it is melted beautifully in my skin. Now let's contour my nose bridge. I like to blend it with my fingers. Setting my under eye area and the chin area with this loose powder from Maybelline Fitme in the shade 25 medium. It's time to do our eyebrows, and for that I'm using this brow definer from Sugar. I like to draw thin hair-like strokes in the front of my brow, and then going at the tail of my brow, I like to go like basic horizontal strokes and fill in the gaps of my brow. It's in the shade deep brown, and good part of this definer is that it comes with a clean spoolie on the other side. And there I have my bushy eyebrows. And yeah, we are trying this new palette from Sugar in the shade Warm Neutrals. Let's see whether the palette is pigmented or not. Picking this cream and coral color to put right into my crease for the transition shade and just blend it out. Taking this earthy orange shade and putting it in the outer corner of my eye and giving it a V kind of shape, and also placing it under my eyes, softening it a bit. This palette comes with a small fluffy brush which I absolutely love, and popping the gold champagne color right on the lid of my eyes. This champagne shade is so pigmented and gorgeous. Wow. Also putting it some in my inner corner. Going in with this jet black kajal from Sugar. It's nice and smooth. Using this liquid liner from Sugar, its applicator is so thin. Just making that trending half-winged eyeliner. If you want that tutorial in detail, I'll leave the video link in the description and also on the I button on the right hand side. Now picking this coral shade for my blush. If you can notice, I have matched my transition shade and my blush shade. For fixing my makeup, I'm using the Faces Canada Fixing Spray. Make sure you close your eyes and lips. Let it dry for a few seconds. Let's curl our lashes because it's the most important part, you guys. Going on with this volumizing mascara from Sugar. The wand has hourglass shape. Wiggling out my lashes and going on with 2 coats, also coating my lower lashes, and voila, my eyes are nicely done. Popping the champagne shade highlighter on the nose bridge and the high points like brow bone and cheekbones, nicely blending out with my fingers. Taking this dual eyeshadow in the shade 07 and using the matte shade as my lip base. Now putting this Sugar's Smudge Me Not lipstick in the middle and lining it with the Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil, and I am done. So guys, this is my finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something from it. If you want more such tutorials, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until then, take care. Bye bye.